Let's look at final exam question number 82 in Electricity Demystified, second edition. Please refer, if you have the printed book, to page 340. Which of the following frequencies could represent ELF energy? Well, what's ELF? That's extremely low frequency. ELF. Sometimes referred to as ELF radiation. Well, technically it is radiation. It is electromagnetic radiation. But that word and the E extremely scares some people, and they start to think all sorts of horrible things about ELF radiation. Generally, it's less than or equal to about 3 kilohertz. Anything below 3 kilohertz definitely qualifies as ELF radiation, all the way down to about 1 hertz, 1 cycle per second. You're hardly ever going to encounter anything like that, although it can happen. ELF radiation comes off of all of the electrical wiring in your house, unless you've got it shielded. Unless all of your wires are coaxial cables and you've taken great pains to shield yourself from this, you're going to be bathed in this electromagnetic ELF radiation all your life. Or unless you move to a desert island or something where there's no utility power at all. Even then you're probably going to occasionally get subjected to some of it from natural events. Well, anyway, which of the following frequencies could represent it? 1.5 hertz. That's choice A. Well, yes, that can represent it. 15 hertz. Yes, that can represent it too. 0.15 kilohertz. That can represent it. That's 150 hertz, give or take a little. How about 1.5 kilohertz? Well, yes, that too, because that's below 3 kilohertz. So all 4 of the answer choices that were given here, A, B, C, and D, will work, thereby allowing us to conclude that the correct answer to this question is E, all of the above. Now remember, extremely low frequency radiation is not like radioactivity. Absolutely nothing like it. ELF is not like radioactivity. It is not the ionizing radiation that you get from uranium or from an X-ray tube or even ultraviolet like you'd get from the sun. So ELF radiation, at least as far as my opinion goes, is a lot less harmful than some people fear that it is. Nevertheless, there is some concern that long-term exposure to low frequency, or for that matter electromagnetic fields at any frequency, if they're intense enough, may have as yet unknown adverse health effects. But my opinion too is that if you worry enough about it, you'll make yourself sicker than ELF itself would ever likely make you. So again, the answer here is E. E as in echo. All 4 of those listed frequencies qualify as the dreaded, feared and overhyped ELF energy.